morning. Day 2.
Give up, huh? So it is full, so we'll have to wait for a few minutes. So we were supposed to wait her to guide us to the table, but then they have already gone inside. So it is that 2 minutes you sit down on the table every time you get a table at a buffet. So that is this 2 minutes. Kiti chindule? Rice porridge, I don't think I'll be having that. अभी सगळे हेच घेऊ लागे रे ब्रेड वीड I couldn't decide. This is nasi lemak. This is pepper chicken croissant. ये कितने अच्छा similar. Ranch. Chana masala. We've come out now, waiting for the taxi. So we are going to Butter Caves now. Just cab मिला है around इधर के 11 बज गए 11 साढ़े 11 11 किलोमीटर्स है हमारे होटल से. तो लेट्स सी कितना देर लगता है. हाँ सीट. So this is the entrance, and here is the main gate. It's really beautiful, and then oh my god, there's a lot of steps to climb. There's also a lot of rush today. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. It's I guess around 34-35. Scorching heat, plus there's humidity. And then so many people. अबा चढतले वैरा थोडं हां वय ते भितर केव्स सारखे हा मात्र असे ते स्टोनच्या भितर पुरे. So there are two mandirs here. So this is one and this is the other one. So this is the tallest statue, not the actual tallest statue, but the tallest Murugan statue. There's another temple inside those caves, so we'll have to climb that many stairs. There must be a count written somewhere, or I'll count and let you know. The bigger the statue, oh, that's a really big donation box. 19, 18, 19, 20. Mind you, the steps are also very small. It's like, see, even my shoe does not see the whole thing. 34 and 40. Give up, huh? So this is first, second, third, fourth floor, and I lost count. When Goans get limca in Urak. The problem is there's a lot of spilt milk and stuff, so it's kind of smelly, not very pleasant. And this is the view from say 6th floor. So the garland is kind of the holding structure for the entire, or say the resting structure. Salva. These are really a lot of steps. It's not easy. Branch already up, and this is the view. Okay, for the moment that we all climbed, so many stairs. Look at that, you cannot zoom. Is this? All of this. Wow. Hey, there's some water falling. So it's, oh my god, look at my face. So as you would expect it to be a little colder in the caves, it's not. It's still humid. See, everyone fanning themselves. It's not cool. It's still warm. The only thing, you don't have sunlight falling on your face. It's bright. We clicked a few photos. It's come really good. This is near really a nice spot. India's next top model. I guess it's time we head down. I was supposed to say there are 300 and 320 steps, but then I checked it online. There are 272 to be precise. What's that? The photos have come really good. You can check it on my Instagram handle, Blen_PTO, if you want. Getting down is not a problem. जल्दी उतर जाते हैं. Lighting is so perfect. I mean, it's a tone brighter. It's not warm, it's white. So as soon as you get down, there are also a few Indian restaurants that you can try. In particular, the Telugu, I guess. Bye bye. Until next time. So we've already ordered the cab. We're going to the next destination. Oh my god, look at that convoy. The little ghat section has started. So we देखते हैं कितना देर लगेगा और map में तो showing around 15 kilometers more.
रोम रोम भाइयों, सिस्टम पार देंगे, सिस्टम पार देंगे.
Just threw some banana cakes. So this is on top of a mountain. We already completed the ghat section. Shopping mall. So the cable car, the Avana Skyway wala cable car is closed. So when this is closed, they on the other one. There are two. So one is the Genting wala, they have one, and this is the one. So this is closed. So they asked us to go to the other one. So we are hungry, so we'll have lunch now. बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है.
आसाम स्टाईल चिकन नूडल सूप आहे ब्लॅक पेपर किती आहे
ट्राई कर
थंड कॉफी
कॉफी थोडी आहे
ती तेच की आम्ही ते पियला की
कॉफी मिळायची
बेळगाव हां बेळगाव ते गरम पिये ना तशी फ्लेवर हा म्हणा
चहा
So this is what they said is their best seller. Mix करून द्यायचं ते.
पेनांग पेनार आहे तसं
हाँ mix करून द्या.
पेनांग फार्म तो पहिलं बघ
उलटा.
तेच
1 2 चुकले. ट्राय कर.
किती आहे त्यांचं
तू try कर.
सांग Still it sizzling, cooking. Now we are going to eating.
Did not have any spices. तो ये जो starter था मुझे का पूरा liquid and we turned the simple plain
Here
into
you
masala
eat like this, you will don't get the pitta, acidity and pot kharab.
So this is the mall. We just had good lunch. Good place to be, you know. It's on such an height and it's a complete different city type of a thing. Everything feels a little like a Switzerland. I have not been to Switzerland, but then the videos that I've seen. So you know what they have mentioned? Shopping in the clouds and lunch, dinner in the clouds. So that is the theme basically here.
स्टोर एंट्री पासून तर लाईन लायला होती कोचच्या
मसाले Almost every premium brand is here. We clicked some very good pictures here, and then we are supposed to go there, that building covered in the cloud or fog, whatever that is. So yes, it is now 3:30, and this should be it for today's vlog. This vlog, I mean, so to continuation of this vlog, you'll have to wait for the next one. So the next one should come within 2 to 3 days. Sorry for keeping you waiting. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.